Good morning, children. Yesterday I gave you the summary of, no, sorry. Yesterday we discussed the question answers of the story, Boli. And now today we have to start the last chapter of your syllabus. It is from the book First Flight, The Proposal. It is actually a play. Today I will give you the main points of the play, and tomorrow we will start it from the book. It's on humorous side. It's nothing serious is there about this play, and so far as the theme is concerned, it is only to make you laugh, make the children laugh, make the readers laugh, and it's a farce. We will not call it even a humor. It's a farce, means humor is at its heights. There are some places where we even don't feel like laughing. That is too much. Extreme, more than extreme has been achieved at some places. You may feel irritated also at some places. But we will do it. There are three main characters: Lomov, Natalia, and Shubukov. By the names only, it must be clear to you that the setting of the play is Russia, and Shubukov and Natalia are father and daughter. Lomov is their neighbor. One day in the opening scene, you will find Lomov visiting Shubukov. Shubukov becomes tensed after seeing Lomov in his house. He sensed that Lomov might have come for borrowing some money, and he has already made up his mind that he is not going to lend any money to him. But when Lomov tells the real purpose of coming to him, he feels very happy. Lomov tells that he likes Natalia, Shubukov's daughter, and he wants to marry her. So that makes Shubukov very happy, and he was sure that Natalia will also be happy after listening to this. Then he calls Natalia, but one thing is there, actually all the three main characters of our play are quarrelsome by nature. They call all the time, they fight all the time. Without any reason they start fighting. He calls Natalia. Natalia comes there and she is happy after listening about this marriage proposal. Then, as their nature was, they start fighting. They start fighting over, first they fought over some piece of land. Both of them claim that that piece of land belongs to him or her. Later on, after some time, good sense prevails and they finish the call and they come to the point of marriage. But then again, they start fighting, and this time it's about the dogs, Squeezer and Guess. Both of them try to prove that their dog is better than the dog owned by the other one. And their fight means they keep on fighting, and in the end, Lomov becomes senseless also in the fight. Then this Natalia starts shouting. She now remembers that what is the real purpose of Lomov's coming to their house, and she requests her father to help Lomov. After some time, Lomov is fine, but and both of them means father does not want to waste any time now, because he fears that again a fight can start. So he starts again, a fight can start over any other matter. So actually what they do is they exchange rings, giving a stamp of permanence to their marriage proposal. And but they again fight. They means any time they can fight now also, but this is the ending of the play. What can be the theme? Theme can be we should not fight over useless issues. This can be a message being given by the author. And one more theme, one more purpose of writing the play can be to make the audience laugh, to make the audience happy. That's all. Tomorrow we will start it from book.